Effective homemade remedy to make you look younger 10 years than your age. To look younger and stay young is the desire of every age person. But with the passage of time you have to get old. Today, we are sharing an amazing and effective homemade remedy to make you look younger 10 years than your actual age. To follow this remedy, you have to follow some ingredients which are easily available in the market. These ingredients don't have any harmful effects on your health. Ingredients to make effective homemade remedy to make you look younger. Banana, half. Oats, 3 tablespoons. Yogurt, 2 tablespoons. Honey, 1 tablespoon. Egg, 1. How to make. First of all, take a banana and peel it off. Then, take 1 bowl and mash the banana properly and make a paste of it. Now, add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 egg in the banana paste. Then, add oats powder and yogurt in the above paste. After that, combine all the ingredients well to make a fine and smooth paste. How to use. First off all, wash your face with fresh water to remove dust particles and oil. Then, apply the paste on your face and leave it for 15 minutes and let it dry. Then wash your face with fresh water and apply any moisturizer which is suitable for your skin type. This face mask is the best remedy to make you look younger and can be useful for any age group. Health benefits of ingredients. Banana is rich with fibers which are very useful to get soft and bright skin. Banana is also very beneficial to remove freckles, blemishes and acne from the skin. Honey is helpful to protect moisture of skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid which gives freshness to skin.